This is the brand new VOGE DS800X Rally. Just picked it up today from Appleyard Motorcycles in Keighley and just rode it 80 miles home. I did a bit of a review on it on the way home, so I'll upload that soon and discuss that. But I just thought I'd give you a walk around just so you can have a look at some of the bits that you may have not seen on some of the other reviews or things like that. So you've got your ABS button there to turn the front ABS or both front and rear off. The mode button, change it from normal to sport. Kill switch and your fog lights or spotlights there. You have a steering damper here which goes onto that peg down there, so you can adjust the amount of effort required for the steering damper. It's just got a normal key, ignition switch. It's got the vertical style TFT display, which I'll show you soon. That's just my Insta camera mount, ignore that. On the left switchgear side, you've got your indicators, your horn, left, right, up and down for all your screens and display, and the traction control. Hazard light button there, and on this side you have your heated grips and heated seat, and your high beam and flasher. The suspension units, you can see there that you have the preload adjustment on the top, and I think one does rebound and one does damping. Coming down you have LED lights, you've got a screen, small deflector side screen there, and the main screen. The main screen has got two positions. It's in the highest position at the moment, but you will need to get your Torx drivers out to move the screen to the lower position. That's the front HD camera, which you can record footage using the app. Just bear in mind, if you did move the screen down, you would cover that camera, which would give you better protection for the lens, but would also cover the camera slightly for poorer quality. That's your high beam at the bottom, that's your normal beam, and then they're the running lights. It's got a cool looking front end. So the crash bars go underneath there and go round and down on the side there. The spotlights, now to me that looks like it's pointing too far out the way, but I'm unsure if there is any way of turning those in. You may just have to move it on the actual bracket. Either way, it comes with those spotlights as standard. Two big disc brakes on there with Nissin radial calipers. It has tubeless spoked wheels, 21 on the front. It does have the Scorpion Rally STR tyres. They're a 90/90/21, a standard kind of off-road wheel size. They look like a 40% off-road split to me. Should be decent enough on the trails. So coming around to the back, that's the back tyre there. That's an 18-inch tubeless on the back as well. It is a 150/70/18 rear tyre on that. So it has rear foot pegs, and I imagine that that hole there, that threaded hole, is for the pannier mounting. So you won't be able to take those off if you do mount the pannier racks. Don't take my word for that though, I'm just guessing. You have an adjustable rear shock. So right on the bottom there, you have adjustment for that. Your standard gear selector. So this cover here looks like it covers the fuel filter. Nice engine casings. That's the coolant. Does have a crash sort of bash plate round there. Seems reasonably sturdy, quite thick. No doubt there'll be aftermarket ones of those becoming available. The seat is a two-part seat, so you can take the back off and the rear separately. It is reasonably flat though, so it is kind of like a rally seat. On the back you have your LED rear light and LED indicators. It does have this sort of plastic fake carbon fibre effect. Love it or hate it, I quite like it. Now that exhaust, for a standard exhaust, I think it's good looking and it sounds really good. So I'm really happy with the way that that sounds straight out of the box. A few guards there around the engine, a few guards around the exhaust. Got quite a cool feature there with the DS in the plastic moulding around the engine casings. All looks like decent fixings, as on the 900 with the Torx heads in there. A few nice touches with the blue. I really like the blue and white. I know the black is very popular, but this blue and white colour is really nice, I think. I'll probably take those rubber foot peg parts off and just go with the metal serrated edges there. And that really is a quick walk round of the VOGE DS800X Rally. Ignore those because they are pretty much pretend. They will do absolutely nothing in a crash, but they did keep the wind off my hands on the way home. We will be doing some more in-depth reviews of this bike and the 900 and the 300, so please like and subscribe. Give me your thoughts on this bike for the money. It's £7,199 or something like that on the road. It's £6,999 plus the on the road fees, which is outstanding value for money for the bike that you get. So there you go. Thank you. Bye bye.